Customer invoicing used to sit behind a single permission. If you had it, you could raise an invoice, take the money, and cancel the debt with a credit note. Those are 3 different jobs, so they are now 3 different permissions, held by 3 different people. This is Aisha, the credit controller. Her one power is the most sensitive of the 3. View customer invoices, and raise, apply and cancel credit notes. A credit note is how a customer debt is legitimately written down, so it is worth being careful who holds this. On the very same invoice she is offered credit note, and she is not offered record payment. She can reduce the debt, she cannot say money arrived. The credit note opens already carrying the invoice lines, so she adjusts rather than retypes. A date, the reason it is being raised, and the quantity and value being credited, with the account and VAT rate carried across. Saved as a draft first. A credit note does not touch the ledger until somebody deliberately applies it. Applied. The customer now owes less, the journals are posted, and everybody working this invoice is told, including the clerk who raised it and the officer collecting on it. And here on the invoice itself is the credit note, marked applied. That is 3 people, 3 permissions, 1 invoice, and not one of them able to do the whole thing alone.